I said the whole Ghana, the entertainment industry. Who get first star Shatawale?
Me I say Bisak. Bisak
You two say be who?
Shatawale.
Me I say Bisak.
What did they talk?
My name is Sammy Flex, and they say I am Ghana's entertainment boss. I have all the answers in Ghana's entertainment industry. If you are arguing like how my guys are arguing behind me, watch out for the weekend edition. It is hitting your television screen soon, and we have all the answers in Ghana's entertainment industry. It is all about the show, the business, the celebrities, the movies, the hate, the mixes, the ups and the lows of the entertainment industry. Everything for you on the weekend edition. We say it is total entertainment.